Hi everyone, this is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to use an AI image editor in Shopify. So the steps are going to be pretty simple. Make sure to stick till the very end of this video. Also, you can head over to the link in the description of this video, using which you can simply get first month on Shopify for just $1. Alright, now the first thing is you are going to be heading over to your Shopify admin and then to products. Then you are going to be clicking a product whose image you want to modify, and in the media section click on edit on the image that you want to modify to open the image editor. Then in the image editor click on, like for example, enhance background or whatever the feature you would like to choose. And once you make your edits to your picture using the AI editor, and analyzing image message will display and the subject flashes surrounds it with an outline. If automatic selection isn't fully captured, then you can choose a subject by yourself as well. So basically that's how you can use the image AI editor in Shopify and simply enhance your images or just do your edits. So yeah, I hope this helps guys, and let us know in the comments below. Also, do not forget to head over to the link in the description to simply get first month on Shopify for just $1. So that is going to be super amazing. Also, do not forget to donate to this channel, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.